I welcome you all to this class of English language. Today let us do exercise 1 on page 6-4. Page 6-4, exercise 1. Number 1, I'm sure we will have a good time staying with them. Will have. Second, if you come before noon, I will be waiting for you in my cabin. Waiting will be waiting. 3. Rose is 17 now. Next year she will be 18. Will be. 4. At this time tomorrow I will be enjoying myself in Mussoorie. Will be enjoying. 5. If you go there now, they will be having dinner. Will be having. 6. This store will reopen on 26th December. Will reopen. 7. My father will retire at the age of 60. Will retire. 8. They will be reaching Bhutan on Sunday. Will be reaching. 9. At this time next month, you will be traveling to Australia. Will be traveling. 10. The government will increase the price of petrol. Will increase. 11. They will be spending the winter in Kulu. Will be spending. 12. She will be waiting outside her office for you this evening. Will be waiting. Let us go ahead. Future perfect and future perfect continuous tenses. Number 1. If you are referring to something that has not yet happened but will happen before a particular time in future, you can use the future perfect. That means has not yet happened but will happen before a particular time. Example, perhaps by the time we get back home, we will have already started. Second, when you come back tomorrow, you will have heard from your sister. One more, I will have retired by the year 2022. Second, if you want to indicate the duration of an event at a specific time in the future, duration at a specific time in future, again, future perfect continuous can be used. Again, example, by March 2022, you will have been working for this organization for 12 years. Or, I shall have been writing for half an hour when this session ends. One more, she will have been learning dance for 5 years by March this year. Keeping this in mind, let us look at the exercise. Number 1, you will have learned English by the end of this year. We will have learned. Second, you began to study Spanish in January. By December, you will have been learning it for a whole year. Will have been learning. 3. The film will not have started before we reach the theatre. Will not have started. 4. By the 15th of March, I will have been looking after him for 6 weeks. Will have been looking after. 5. We will have finished this lesson by the end of this period. Will have finished. 6. By November, we shall have been learning these lessons for 5 months. Shall have been learning. 7. 2 months from now, she will have taken her final examination. Sorry, not. By November, we shall have been learning these lessons for 5 months. Then 7. 2 months from now, she will have taken her final examination. Will have taken. 8. As you started supporting him in 2003, by 2023, you will have been supporting him for 20 years. Will have been supporting. I will have completed my homework by 8 p.m. Will have completed. 10. By 6 o'clock, I will have been sitting here for 10 hours. Will have been sitting here. Let us also go ahead to page 6-9, self-study exercise 4, filling the blanks with the correct proposition. Number 1, the oil spill in the bay has been set alight to burn off the oil. Burn off or develop. Second, the fire burned down the National Museum. Burned down means destroyed by fire. 3. When I am in Chicago, I will look him up. Look him up means pay a visit or call on. Number 4. The police are looking into the case. Looking into means examine or investigate. 5. The burglar broke into the house while I was at the movie. Broke into or even broke in, correct, means force one's way into. 6. The preacher broke off in the middle of his speech. Broke off means stopped speaking or burst into tears. 7. If you come across my purse, please give it to me. Come across means find or meet by chance. 8. How did you come by this rare photograph? Come by here means obtain. 9. He dropped out of school last year. That means stopped learning from the school. 10. Please try to drop in when you come to Delhi. Drop in means pay a casual visit. 11. The thief got off safely. Got off here means escaped. 12. Get up early and go for a walk daily. Get up means rise. It's a good habit, getting up early and going for a walk. 13. Please hold on for a moment. I will call my mother. Hold on means stop for a while. 14. There was an accident on the highway and traffic held me up. Held me up means delayed me. 15. She started off by introducing herself. Started off means began. 16. The company started out with just 5 employees. Started out means began or took the first step. 17. We need 2 more players to make up the team. Here make up means to complete, to fill. 18. I almost need a magnifying glass to make out what Anish has written. To make out means manage to read with difficulty. If the handwriting is very poor, then one has to make out. If one finds it very difficult to make out. 19. We will have to put off our plans for a year. Put off or develop. Put off means put to a later date. 20. I won't put up with your irregular working habit. Put up with your means bear patiently. So this sentence also is very important and should be noted, because if we have irregular working habit, our authority or others cannot put up with. So put up with. That's all for today. In the next class, let us begin with specimen paper 4 on page 71. Till then, have a good day.